Sean with BB Car Audio, back again. Been gone for a while, switched jobs, and got another, well, we won't call it a victim, more like a patient. We have a Rockford Fosgate Punch 800.2. I've been told that the customer had it in their trunk, and the trunk got wet, so basically what I was told was, oh, there shouldn't be any dirt in it, but I don't know if it works or not. Well, I already took the bottom off of it, and like most things, I look at this and I go, oh wow, it's really clean. It's kind of cool. They did some really cool designing on this power supply. Really clean, really clean, real clean. Wait a minute, what's that? Power supply damage. So, of course I'll have to check all this and see how bad it is. But doesn't look too bad as far as the amplifiers go. Devices all look good. But power supply definitely suffered some damage. Anyway, I've never messed with one of these Rockford Fosgate amps. It's got these tabs for the cooling. So, I just watched a video a little while ago about it. And looks like we'll be experimenting here with this one. Supposedly these transistors are soldered on. Just like that right there, where there isn't one. And I just happen to have a new tool that I bought. It's actually for plastic, but as we all know, what works for one thing might work for another. And it gets upwards to 800 degrees, so, and it's adjustable. Most solder melts between, 600 and 1,000 degrees, so we'll have to give that a try to at least heat it up, the tabs on the transistors, and then go from there. But it'll probably be a couple days. I'm not sure exactly yet, and I'll probably be out in the shed working on this. So anyway, we'll have another video coming up of this, and hopefully I can get it to work. I hate to see these old Rockford Fosgate amps go to the dump because they're pretty cool. As most people know, Rockford Fosgate amps are underestimated as far as the power rating, so this thing says 800, so I'm guessing it's more like 1,000 or something like that. I thought that was pretty cool. It looks like a big old spider in there. Anyway, remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you don't like it, push don't like, but we'll be coming up with more of these videos to come. If you have any questions, I'll try and answer them in the bottom. And as always, remember to, if you've got a Twitter account, look up PP's Car Audio on there. And I keep forgetting to put this in the description, but we do have a Facebook group, and it's not really called anything. It's just real generic, but I'll try and get it in there. And that way, if anybody's on Facebook, you guys can add yourselves to the group and what have you. It's more of like a general, car stuff, audio, and computers. So anyway, again, this is BP, or Sean Lynch, that's actually my name, with BP Car Audio. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll have more excitement down the road. Have a good day. Remember to comment, like, or subscribe.